1. 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price: $21,000. Located Springtown, Texas. The 1971 Chevrolet Monte Carlo represents a classic era of American personal luxury cars, blending long-body styling with muscular performance potential. This example stands out as a tastefully modified build that balances classic looks with modern power. Finished in clean white exterior paint, the car maintains a timeless presence that highlights the Monte Carlo's signature long hood, wide stance, and elegant proportions. With 13,685 miles shown, this vehicle has been carefully maintained and built to be driven, not just displayed. Under the hood, this Monte Carlo has been upgraded with an LS engine swap paired with a turbo setup, delivering a significant performance increase while maintaining reliability. Power is transferred through a TH350 automatic transmission, a proven choice for street and performance applications. The drivetrain is further strengthened by a 9-inch rear end, providing durability and confidence under spirited driving. New wheels and tires complete the setup, enhancing both traction and overall appearance. This Monte Carlo runs and drives well, making it suitable for street cruising, weekend events, or continued performance refinement. The automatic transmission ensures comfortable operation, while the modernized powertrain brings new life to a classic platform. This build offers an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a vintage Chevrolet with modern performance upgrades already completed. Trades may be considered, adding flexibility for serious buyers looking to step into a unique and powerful classic American cruiser. 2. 1963 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop. Price: $25,000. Located Omaha, Nebraska. The 1963 Chevrolet Impala 2-door hardtop is an iconic full-size American classic, celebrated for its sleek roofline, wide stance, and unmistakable early 60s styling. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, this Impala delivers a strong visual presence that instantly reflects the golden era of Chevrolet design. With its long body proportions and clean hardtop profile, this car remains highly desirable among collectors and muscle car enthusiasts alike. This Impala is powered by a legendary 409 cubic inch engine, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission that offers an engaging and authentic driving experience. The drivetrain has been extensively refreshed, including a new Muncie M22 transmission, a new clutch, and a Hurst shifter, all contributing to precise gear changes and improved reliability. Both the front and rear suspension systems have been completely renewed, enhancing ride quality, stability, and overall road manners. Despite showing high mileage, this vehicle has benefited from significant mechanical updates and runs and drives great, making it more than just a showpiece. It is a solid driver that can be enjoyed on the street, at local events, or during weekend cruises. This Impala is offered strictly for sale with no trades considered, appealing to serious buyers looking for a well-sorted classic Chevrolet with legendary big block power and timeless appeal. 3. 1998 Chevrolet Corvette V8. Price: $20,000. Located Brookline, Missouri. The 1998 Chevrolet Corvette represents a major leap forward in performance and handling while still retaining classic Corvette character. Finished in a refined gray exterior with a black interior, this Corvette offers a clean and aggressive appearance that suits both street and performance use. With just 12,345 miles shown, this example stands out as a low-mileage build that has been heavily upgraded for serious power. At the heart of this Corvette is a naturally aspirated 408 cubic inch stroker engine, delivering impressive output and strong throttle response. The engine setup includes a Holley high-ram intake with a 105 mm throttle body, fully CNC-ported AFR 12-degree LS3 heads with 260 cubic centimeters intake runners and 69 cubic centimeters combustion chambers. Power is sent through a 4L60E automatic transmission, providing a balance of performance and street drivability. A full hooker exhaust system completes the package, enhancing both airflow and sound. This Corvette features a clean title and is offered with flexibility, as trades may be considered and the price is open to reasonable offers. The car is well suited for enthusiasts seeking a modernized C5 Corvette with serious engine work already completed. Whether used for spirited street driving or further performance refinement, this Corvette delivers strong value, proven components, and unmistakable American V8 performance. 4. 1953 Polestar 1 Coupe. Price: $20,000. Located Willard, Missouri. The 1953 Polestar 1 Coupe is a unique and purpose-built classic designed with high-performance drag racing in mind. Featuring a striking yellow exterior, this coupe immediately stands out as a competition-focused vehicle rather than a traditional restored classic. With only 1,234 miles noted, this car has been set up primarily as a performance platform, offering an excellent foundation for a serious racing or pro street build. This vehicle is offered as a roller and includes high-end racing components throughout. It features a 4-link rear suspension, struts, and a chassis previously certified to 7.50 standards, though the certification has since expired. The car is set up to accept a big block Chevrolet engine and a 400 transmission, and it will include headers and a drive shaft as part of the sale. These components make it an ideal starting point for builders looking to complete a competitive drag car without starting from scratch. For buyers seeking a complete setup, the vehicle can also be purchased turnkey at a higher price. This Polestar 1 Coupe is best suited for experienced enthusiasts or racers who appreciate specialized builds and understand the value of a properly prepared chassis. It offers a rare opportunity to acquire a distinctive drag-oriented classic with strong potential and a solid performance-focused foundation. 5. 1977 Ford Maverick. Price: $18,000. Located Texarkana, Texas. The 1977 Ford Maverick is a compact American classic that has been transformed into a serious street and strip machine. Finished in black with a striking red interior, this Maverick presents an aggressive appearance that reflects its performance-focused build. With only 500 miles shown, this car has clearly been constructed with purpose and careful attention to detail, emphasizing power, handling, and reliability rather than long-term daily use. Under the hood sits a strong 408 cubic inch Windsor engine, delivering substantial horsepower and torque. Power is routed through a C4 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake, making this Maverick well-suited for drag racing applications. The chassis setup includes a ladder bar rear suspension and a Mustang 2 front end, providing improved weight transfer, stability, and steering control under hard acceleration. These upgrades significantly enhance performance compared to a factory Maverick configuration. Despite its race-ready hardware, this vehicle remains street-legal, offering versatility for both weekend cruising and track use. The combination of lightweight body, powerful drivetrain, and proven suspension components results in a balanced and capable performance package. This Maverick is an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic Ford that stands out from the crowd while delivering serious performance. Trades may be considered with cash involved, making this a flexible opportunity for buyers looking to step into a unique and well-built classic muscle car. 6. 1951 Ford Anglia Panel. Price: $48,000. Located Buckner, Missouri. The 1951 Ford Anglia Panel, also known as the Thames Anglia, is a rare and distinctive classic that has been extensively modified into a high-performance hot rod. Finished in black, this steel-bodied panel delivery combines vintage European styling with aggressive American V8 power. With approximately 1,000 miles shown, this build has been carefully assembled and lightly used, making it an exceptional example of a custom hot rod done right. Power comes from a small block Chevrolet 383 cubic inch roller engine equipped with aluminum heads and a 671 supercharger. Dual Edelbrock carburetors feed the blower, delivering strong performance and unmistakable visual impact. The engine is paired with an automatic TCI transmission, ensuring smooth and reliable power delivery. A 12-bolt rear end and wheel bars support the drivetrain, making this Anglia capable of handling hard launches and spirited driving. The vehicle features a steel body complemented by a fiberglass tilt front end, blending durability with ease of access and weight savings. This Anglia panel is built for enthusiasts who appreciate unique hot rods with serious performance credentials. Trades and partial trades may be considered for other hot rods, T-buckets, or similar vehicles, offering flexibility to collectors and builders looking to add a standout piece to their garage. 7. 1993 Chevrolet Beretta Coupe. Price: $17,500. Located Gilmer, Texas. The 1993 Chevrolet Beretta Coupe is a purpose-built drag racing platform that goes far beyond its original production roots. Finished in blue with a gray interior, this Beretta has been transformed into a serious competition car with extensive chassis and safety upgrades. With 100,000 miles shown, the focus of this vehicle is clearly on performance capability rather than conventional street use. This Beretta features a mild steel tube chassis with a strut front suspension and a 4-link rear setup. A 12-bolt rear end with 4.30 gears and 35 spline axles provides the strength needed for high horsepower applications. The car is equipped with AFCO big gun rear shocks, onboard fire suppression, and modern electronics including MSD grid, boost retard module, and a 7AL3 ignition system. Additional features such as dual LED dial boards and a Moroso AccuZump further support its racing purpose. The drivetrain setup includes a Powerglide transmission with a 1.69 low gear, 10 clutch high gear, Pro Mod pump, and is configured for big block Chevrolet power. The car holds a recent NHRA 7.50 certification completed in March 2025. It is offered rolling with transmission or without, making it ideal for racers seeking a competitive, well-prepared drag chassis ready for final engine selection and tuning. 8. 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic. Price: $13,000. Located Florissant, Missouri. The 1976 Chevrolet Malibu Classic is a well-known mid-size American platform that blends everyday drivability with classic muscle-era styling. Finished in a deep burgundy exterior, this Malibu carries a clean and understated appearance that fits perfectly with its street-focused performance build. With 109,000 miles shown, the vehicle has clearly been driven and enjoyed, while also benefiting from meaningful mechanical upgrades that enhance reliability and performance. Power comes from a 327 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a comp cam's hydraulic camshaft and lifters, delivering smooth power delivery and strong mid-range performance. The engine features double chain timing, a 750 brawler carburetor, and supporting machine work to ensure proper operation. Power is sent through a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering improved cruising capability and better highway manners. A 3.73 rear gear ratio complements the drivetrain, providing responsive acceleration without sacrificing drivability. The suspension has been upgraded to a Stage 2 setup, built by South City Speed Shop, a detail that will be appreciated by knowledgeable enthusiasts. The car rides on 22-inch staggered Asani AF 120 wheels, giving it a modern custom look. Additional features include a compustor tracker alarm system for added security. This Malibu Classic is a solid choice for buyers seeking a clean street machine with tasteful upgrades and classic Chevrolet character. 9. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Tube Chassis Drag Car. Price: $18,000. Located Duncan, Oklahoma. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette is a true turnkey tube chassis drag car built specifically for serious straight-line performance. While it carries the legendary Corvette name and body style, this vehicle is a purpose-driven race machine rather than a street-oriented classic. Built to compete, it offers an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a ready-to-run platform without the delay and cost of starting a project from the ground up. The overall condition is described as used but good, reflecting a car that has been properly assembled, tested, and proven to work. Power comes from a freshly built 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine loaded with quality racing components throughout. The engine features new Brodix performance heads and a full roller valve train, allowing it to operate reliably at high RPM while delivering strong, naturally aspirated power. The drivetrain is completed by a Powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake, ultra bell housing, and a 4,000 stall converter, making it ideal for consistent launches and competitive elapsed times. Ignition duties are handled by an MSD system with a two-step, supporting precise control at the starting line. The chassis is built around a robust tube frame design, and utilizes a 9-inch forward rear end with quality axles and a fully adjustable 4-link suspension. This setup provides strength, durability, and tuning flexibility to suit different track conditions. The car runs and drives great and is described as a 6-second capable setup with potential to reach the 5-second range with additional tuning on 110 octane fuel. The hood requires minor modification to be properly secured. Trades may be considered, and the car is ready to go racing immediately.